students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, dipole moment is a vector quantity which is pointing from, our options are, from negative charge to positive charge along the axis of a electric dipole. Option B, positive charge to negative charge along the axis of an electric dipole. Option C, infinity to positive charge, and option D, positive charge to infinity. So the correct option is option A. So by convention, it is from negative charge to positive charge along the axis of an electric dipole. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.